Getting video. We're playing. My teammate lagged out because his connection's so bad. We're playing CEO swag, mix swag, and O'Risful. We keep going to red bar for like 30 seconds, and then it'd come back. We can't. Oh shit! How'd I kill him? You kidding me? Hell no! Here's proof. There it is. Yeah, I got proof of that. Yo, they forfeit. Yo, y'all forfeit in the game. You can't have red bar. You can't have red bar in the fucking game battle. But if it happens more than 3 times, I think I'm a 3-digit. I'd know this. Here's video. Here. Yeah, these kids, they're not gonna win. I can't shoot nobody, yo. This fucking connection's horrible. Yeah, this connection's so bad, yo. I got proof, yeah, but it's not really that great. Look, 2 bars. Is just we all went to 1 bar last round, yo, to where we couldn't even move. Yeah, don't worry, I got video, JP. I got video. Dude, you must be a retard. I'm a 3-digit. You're a nobody. If you... It happened like 7 times. Yeah, let's go. See? Well, here's proof. Fucking 1 bar and again, and then 2 bars. Here's proof. I got video of it, yo. They keep doing that shit. It's pissing me off. Throwing a grenade truck. Be careful. There you go, Corey. Whoa, I'm lagging again. Holy shit. There you go, good work. Yeah, he's a 1-shot. Alright. There you go. Well, it doesn't matter if you end the game or not, you forfeit. We're playing 3rd map slums regardless. Yo, but if you that means, okay, so you're saying you could lag me the whole game, but it's fine because it wasn't 15 seconds. You're an idiot. You're a moron. Everybody is on 1 bar. What's your crazy man, bro? Wow, we're lagging again. Uh-oh. Throwing grenade today. I think they're there already. Normally. It's all go as a team. We'll get it. Check boxes. Somebody check boxes. Fuck. Yeah, we're gonna win this. I don't care. Yo, JP, I'm recording it. Show me the rules that says you can flood us fucking 3 times and then make us red bar. Show me that. Yeah, I should have had that for you. What the fuck? So, red bar. Look at this shit. Red bar when he killed me. Here's proof. Red bar. I got proof. Here it is. Red bar. As soon as he shot me, fucking, here it is again. They forfeit. Then it goes back to green. Don't worry. I got video. I got video. Don't worry about it. Yeah, I know. I got it. Yeah. I'm just muting you. As you saw the video, they keep making us go red bar. He didn't see him. Fuck. Look at this. Yellow, red bars. Here we go. My partner can't even move. There's proof. Good work, Corey. I got proof of the lag switch too, yeah. The red bars. Good work, Corey. Good work. Alright, 5-5.